YouTube Shorts get 6.5 billion views per day and is a great way to grow a YouTube channel because they attract new views and subscribers. For example, this Shorts video got over 21,500 views and 85 subscribers since it was published. This Shorts video got over 10,000 new views and 60 new subscribers since it was published. In this video, you'll discover 5 ways to use YouTube Shorts to grow a YouTube channel in 2022. Number 1, upload everywhere. Shorts videos can appear on the short shelf when people are browsing their phones using the YouTube app. They can appear on the YouTube home screen. They can appear on the search results on Google and YouTube. They can appear on the subscription feed on other people's channels and also on the YouTube channel homepage. You can also click on the Shorts link on the YouTube channel homepage and watch Shorts videos from other people's channels. You can also tap the Shorts icon on your phone using the YouTube app, then scroll down to see more Shorts videos from other people's channels. One of the huge benefits is that when they appear on the short shelf, they get exposed to a different audience than regular videos. Just make sure that you add the hashtag Shorts to the title or description of your Shorts video. You can make and upload a 15 to 60 second Shorts video from your phone by tapping the YouTube app, then tap Create a Short. As you can see, it can add sound, adjust the speed, use a timer, use filters, retouch, add a green screen, or adjust the lighting. You can also switch between 15 and 60 seconds. If you don't have a phone or don't want to use one, you can make and upload a Shorts video from your PC. Click the link in the description to watch my video on how to upload a YouTube Shorts video from your PC. Number 2, make a Shorts video on a standalone topic. For example, this could be a short tip that you've extracted from one of your long form videos. You'd also tell a short story or show what's going on behind the scenes. Number 3, create catchy, clickable titles. The title is the most important part of your Shorts video because it's what viewers see first in the search engines, on the home screen, or on the YouTube app. Keep in mind that if you upload a custom thumbnail, it's not going to appear on the short shelf or in the search engines. Your custom thumbnail will appear in Google search, but not in YouTube search. Therefore, I recommend uploading a custom thumbnail for your Shorts videos. A few ways to create a catchy title is ask a question, add a sense of urgency, or do something entertaining. If you want to know how to write video titles that people will love, click the link in the description below this video. Number 4, make it engaging. Use a strong hook in the first couple of seconds of your Shorts video to grab your viewers' attention. After the hook, deliver what you promised in the title, then end with a strong call to action. This could be asking viewers to subscribe or linking to a related video to keep your viewers watching. Often I'll add an end screen that links to a related video or playlist. This results in attracting more views and subscribers. Just keep in mind that when you create your Shorts video, keep it fun, snappy, and engaging, because you only have the attention of your viewers for less than 60 seconds. You can do this by changing the scenes or adding transitions every few seconds. Number 5, monitor performance. Use the YouTube Studio mobile app to track the performance of your Shorts videos. You'll be able to see the number of views, the number of subs, and how much revenue it's made. You can also sort by the most viewed, the most recent, visibility, and views. For individual videos, you can track the views, watch time, and revenue. If you notice the Shorts videos attracting a lot of views and subscribers, double down on that video by making another video based upon a similar topic. The great benefit of making Shorts videos to grow your channel is that they're easy to make because they're short, they don't require much editing, and they can appear everywhere. But Herman, how can I make and upload a Shorts video if I don't own a phone or don't want to use one? Watch the video on the screen right now on how to upload a YouTube Shorts video from your PC. You'll be glad you did.